Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add email account on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to apps. From here, just open mail, then tap on mail accounts. Now to add an email account, just tap on add account, then tap on choose from a list. And from here, just choose your email provider. Now for this video, since I'm adding a Gmail account, I will select Google. But if you're adding a Microsoft account or an iCloud account, just select the service provider from here. Now I will select Google, then tap on Open Browser. Now in this section, just enter your email account. Now once you enter your Gmail account, just tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your Gmail account. Now once you enter the password of your Gmail account, just tap on Next. From here, just select Continue, then tap on Continue. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the services which you want to use this Gmail for. Now once you enable the toggle for the services, just tap on Save. Now if you tap on Accounts, and from here you will find the email which we have added. Just like that. And this is how you can add email account on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.